Alright, I've discovered this, but just 2 seconds ago. It's how to make the ps3 go in overdrive. Okay, I need 2 hands to do this one. Put this on here. So you can actually, hopefully you would hear it. Okay. Hold it. Well, the thing is off. The whole thing's off. Hold the ejection button, and then turn it on from the back. It's also how to clean the fan. Can you hear it? That was how to work it in overdrive. It's good for cleaning the fan, everybody. Man, I just discovered it like 3 minutes ago. What it does? Okay, yeah, actually, yeah, it's funny as hell. Make it in overdrive. That's when this thing's off from the back. Hold the ejection button and then turn it on. You'll be amazed. It's good for cleaning out the fan. Goodbye.